What is going on, guys? Blockchain Billionaire. We're back with an extremely exciting project. I need you guys to listen up crazy close because we are about to literally go AWOL on a brand new coin that Wallstreetbets is literally about to shout out today. So I'm trying to get this out as fast as possible. Honestly, I'm not even supposed to talk about this. There's zero videos on this. There's zero publicity. This is literally like pre-show. Like, this is literally about to go massive. I don't actually know what's gonna happen. All I know is that I got invited into a whale chat. They are literally pumping this coin. There's Jake Paul, there's Wallstreetbets, there's billboards, there's other massive influencers, there's massive marketing budget going into this coin, and it's literally about to be launched today. So not financial advice, guys. Do whatever you want. Don't invest in this, I don't care. I'm just getting this out there for the people who want to get in, and I just want to be there for you guys, you know. So this is an amazing opportunity. You very well might lose all your money. I have no idea. I'm not trying to promote this thing in such a positive light because anything could happen, but I do know, and I'll give you guys some proof and evidence of what I know, and I'm just basing it off of what I've been told and the group that I'm in. And this thing is literally about to blow, like right now. I don't even know when, but it's about to blow. I've already got in early, so I've already made a significant amount. I'm so happy about that. And apparently, like, what I made is literally nothing compared to what is going to happen in the next week and even today. So anyway, guys, the token is called MILF. So I want to show you guys what is happening. Wallstreetbets literally posted yesterday, about 12 hours ago. Okay, they posted, we're collaborating with a great crypto coin project. No, we're not hacked. This isn't WSB DApp. This isn't Jamie's project or project link in bio. We're not Wallstreetbets on Telegram. No, you're not sending us money directly. This is an actual token. I'm saying this because when we got compromised, a scam was sent out. So the previous thing that happened. So 20 million market cap in 48 hours, 1,000 plus holders, up 1,478%. Huge influencers, celebrity marketing campaigns coming this weekend. So this weekend means today because it's Sunday. This was posted yesterday. Can you guess the coin? As always, Dior, this is not financial advice. Take a look at this image. So Wallstreetbets X, who knows, right? Check it out. MILF token, guys. Right here. This is it. MILF token is the one that they are literally about to launch. So this is going to be just absolutely massive, guys, because again, Wallstreetbets is massive, right? So check out their story. They posted this 2 hours ago, announcing today, ready to be turned on notifications so you're notified when we post. So they have literally announcements, another 40 million market cap since the last post. Can you guess the name? People are already actually talking about it in the comments, so you can actually verify this yourself. I'm not just talking out of my ass. So let's look at their the Twitter, 1,700 followers. They've only been out for a few days. Like, it's brand new, guys, and people have already made like hundreds of thousands of dollars on the pre-sale. So that's what happens. People get in on this, the in group, they get in, they make a lot of money up front, and then once they hold all the tokens, then they launch it, and then the people who have got in early have already, 100,000x their money. So somehow I got in. I don't even know how, but I did. And now I'm sharing it with you guys. So you're lucky. Please make sure you share this video with your friends, guys, because this is an incredible opportunity. This is the next Yummy, I think. I missed out on Yummy, so I felt really bad. And I don't want other people to miss out on a Yummy situation. So if you guys get in, you're lucky enough to see this video before it actually pops. Get in, guys. The only thing is it's Ethereum network, but screw it. Like, I don't like Ethereum coins, but screw it, guys. Just pay the gas fees. Just get in. If you're going to invest, not financial advice, for real. If this falls back on me and this doesn't work out, I'm sorry. Like, I'm gonna lose a lot of money if this doesn't work out too. So we'll be in the same boat at least. But personally, like, this is a high risk, high reward, and if you're down for taking risks, this is definitely a great project to get into. So MILF token, I feel like I'm really rambling, but basically, besides MILF aiming to become one of the most entertaining decentralized communities, we're launching Cyber MILFs, unique collectible characters with proof of ownership stored on the Ethereum blockchain, and we plan on building our Cyber MILF collection matching that of Cyberpunks with our initial launch token holders of over 500 million MILF or 500,000 MILF. Will all get airdropped NFT MILFs. Our Cyber MILFs will be created on the ERC 721 standard NFT standard and will be only offered to NFT or MILF holders. So despite having been around so many years, cryptocurrency is finally getting the traction that it needs to become something that is valuable in today's mainstream market. Digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are becoming widely accepted, not only by the general population, but also credible to domain business magnates in every sector of business day economy. MILF tokens plan on, let me see here, contributing to the surge of cryptocurrency, leaving its digital footprint in the crypto space, and making a name for itself by being on the first ERC20 tokens, readily available to work side by side with NFTs in the daily consumer and investor. So non-fungible tokens, they're going to talk a little bit about that. Basically, you guys can read this. I don't want to bore you guys. Like, this is just a lot of hype stuff I want to get out there. I encourage you guys to do your own due diligence, do your own research. Don't just base it off this video. But honestly, guys, like I said, I'm already in. I'm taking the risk. So how to buy, it's got to be on the Ethereum network. You can use Uniswap. The basis of the whole coin is that they're a charity-oriented coin. So MILFs might be smoking hot, but there's nothing like a mother love and support. For that reason, we'll be announcing a partnership with a charity down the road focused on providing support to single mothers everywhere, backed by the meme culture and the love of NFTs. We want to ensure that mothers everywhere are well taken care of. So that's cool. Community, they have a massive community that they're already growing. Frequently asked questions. So where can I purchase? It's going to be on Uniswap. This is the actual address. What does it plan on doing? They plan on being a vibrant meme ecosystem tied together with voxel-based NFTs that can be acquired in the open market or airdrop to select users. What's the supply? There's 100 billion. They locked 50% of the total supply on Uniswap and threw away the keys. The remaining 50% will be burned and will ensure that everyone has to buy in the open market, ensuring fair and complete distribution where devs don't own team tokens and they can dump on the community. So guys, that's huge. Why was MILF created? To show appreciation for all the beautiful mothers out there. And what is a cyber MILF? This is basically pixel art featuring your favorite hot mama. Every cyber MILF will be designed uniquely and acquired through the marketplace via airdrop or holding a MILF token. A fun and eye-catching twist to cyberpunks, but for MILFs. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell. They have the catalog here, so they only have the one ready so far. Let me see, they have the about section. You guys can go and read this. It's mostly just talking about everything we already kind of just talked about. They have the how to buy section, the art, the charity, community, and FAQ. So they have a Reddit page too. There's a lot of communication going on right here. I've kept up with a lot of stuff happening mostly in the Telegram group. This is the chart itself. So it was launched here, as we can see. And guys, it's literally seen exponential growth in the past couple of days here. It's been getting pumped really hard. There's been a massive sell-off, a bunch of whales selling off. I don't know why they would sell off before it even launches. Whatever. They're probably reinvesting as we speak, but it's sitting at a really nice rate, honestly, right now, 0.99 right here. So we have quite a few digits to knock off, and a lot of people are assuming this could reach $1. It could reach like mid-dollar. This is massive potential for massive gains, honestly, guys. So this is just a great opportunity. You guys are hella lucky I'm talking about this, because please go out and try and find a video on this topic, on this coin. You're not going to find one. So launch a website, Telegram, Discord, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Blockfolio, social media presence. This is all happening. Beginning promotions of crypto influencers, collaborations with celebrities. That's actually happening right now. Partnership with single mother charity. Release the ability to sell MILF NFTs for holders. Establish MILF brand. Apply for exchange listing. Partner with NFT creator community-based projects. Continue collaborating with reaching out to bigger names that fit the brand. Guerrilla offline marketing partnerships, billboards, conferences. Launch our own NFT marketplace for buy sell. Reward holders by carrying out a buyback. Automate the creator process for NFT submissions. Partnerships with entertainment companies, Hollywood agenda, adult industry. This is huge, guys. So also check this out. This is just one person's Instagram story. I've seen tons, and I can include as many as I can. But honestly, guys, these people are going nuts. They're literally like posting the day before. Like this entire story thread is just insane. They are literally like in the club popping bottles, like throwing thousands of dollars in the air because they're gonna make it all back tomorrow, which is today. So that was yesterday. So that's just one of the things. So let me see here. Basically, I have this stuff here. So this is from the Telegram chat. I highly suggest you guys get into the Telegram chat as well. So MILF Coin partnered with Wallstreetbets, billboards in Times Squares, and Jake Paul. So Jake Paul is going to shout out this coin, and literally probably at the same time or later in the day after Wallstreetbets does, which is actually huge. So there's just a close-up on that. There's that screenshot that I took for MILF to see how much MILF this guy was holding, and he's going to have a significant amount. Wallstreetbets, guys, apparently there's some sort of not association, but there is. I don't know if this exact same Wallstreetbets is the one, the Instagram page, but the Instagram page has 200,000 subscribers, followers. Their Reddit page has 10 million, guys. If it somehow reaches this Reddit page and they also promote this coin, like, it's game over. This coin is literally going to explode. $1 is easy, and that's just that, you know what I mean? There's also this video. Let's just see here.
I got into MILF yesterday. We're more than doubled up. This is gonna be baby mama, turning her into a MILF. Okay, let's go. I
I forgot the guy's name. I don't even know, but I know he's a huge influencer, so he's going to talk about it. There's so many big influencers. I think I caught like 6 or 7 pages between 500 to 1.2 million, 1.3 million. Massive pages that are all going to shout this out as soon as this comes out. So guys, if you want to get on something, a nice new hype coin, this is probably it, honestly. So like I said, not financial advice. If this goes down, I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. But I think this is an amazing opportunity for all of us. And hopefully you guys can thank me later. I really hope so, honestly. But don't put in more than you're willing to lose. I put in quite a bag and I've already received a nice return. And I actually took out my profits. So right now I'm happy with whatever happens. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoy. Please share this video with everyone. I want this to be fucking everywhere. This is crazy, honestly, guys. And I would really genuinely appreciate if you guys help me out, help the channel out, and help get this coin out, because the more people I know about it, the higher the price increases, the more money you're going to make. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.